If you're looking to update your flooring, this is an easy and cost-effective solution. Here's how. Measure the room, including closets, to calculate how much flooring to purchase. It is best to remove any existing baseboard for a nice, clean look. Before you begin, make sure the surface is level, clean, and dry, and let the new flooring acclimate to the environment it will be installed in. Decide which direction the planks will be installed. It is recommended that flooring run parallel to the longest wall. Plan your layout focusing on the ends and try and maintain the same size width for the first and last row. When installing, open several cartons at a time and use a mixture of planks from different cartons for best results in appearance. Begin with laying planks left to right. Place first plank so the grooved edge is facing towards you. Use spacers between the wall and the plank. Lock the second board end to end and fold it down. These should be the same height if laid properly. Continue in the same method towards the right-hand wall. When measuring the length of the final plank in the first row, leave a small gap for expansion between the plank and the wall. Whenever possible, use the remainder of cut planks from ends of rows to begin subsequent rows. To cut the boards, use a sharp utility knife and square and score the plank firmly. You can use a jigsaw or a multi-tool to cut holes or corners. Plan for any bump outs. Ensure you have an entire plank to go between the corner and the wall. This way, it will be supported the full length of the board. After installing 2 or 3 rows, check the straightness using a string line or laser. If the planks are not running straight, the first row may need to be retrimmed and adjusted. For the final row, mark and cut planks to fit. Cut using this line to get the required width of board. All spacers can then be removed. Now that your installation is complete, reinstall the baseboard. For areas where SPC meets other flooring types, use T-molding to cover exposed edges.
Now that's how it's done.
Enjoy your new flooring.